Welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia. Today we're going to do a all-standing full body workout right outside in this beautiful snow world.
All 12 exercises are standing exercise targeting our core and legs, also stretching our upper body. All easy to do, no mats required and no jumping, knees friendly. You can do it anywhere, anytime. So here we are at the beautiful white city of Rovaniemi, Finland. It is also where the Santa Claus village locates. If you are interested in our trip, remember to check out our travel video here. Follow my Instagram. Before we start the workout, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe. Now, let's go! First, we start with standing twist to warm up our body. If you have a dumbbell, that would be great. If not, just use a water bottle. We start twisting to the side. Inhale back to center, exhale to the other side. This is 1 rep. We will do 10 reps in total. Always remember to stand hip width apart. Your arms should be shoulder level high. Your lower body stays stable. Try to start the twist from your rib cage. It is always easy to twist from your waist or lumbar spine, so that part is overly used. Instead, we want to activate and use the chest and thoracic spine more. Now, down to the last one. Second exercise is standing side bend. Now inhale and raise our weight overhead. Reach the crown of our head towards the sky. Exhale, we bend to right side, then to left side. Inhale and back to center. This is 1 rep. We will do 10 total. Just like the Pilates mermaid, if you have watched my video on IG, you will know it. Try to reach the upper side of our rib cage towards the sky to maximize the stretching. First two are for warming up our body, so you can always do just these two to loosen up your body when you are taking a break from work or watching TV or anything else that you been doing for a long time, sitting for a long time. You can just do it for a break. Now let's put down the weights. Next is march with twist. Still keep your feet hip width apart. Put your fingers at the back of your head and we try to reach one knee to opposite elbow. Then another side. This is 1 rep. We will continue for 20 reps. Inhale when you stand tall, exhale when you twist. Try to lift your knee to reach your elbow and twist your body from your chest. It is like a standing crisscross. It trains our abs and obliques more than the leg muscles. I know I look funny and clumsy with the outfit, but you know what? It is minus 14 Celsius here and I have to wear layers of clothing covering every part of my body, including my ears and hands. So bear with me, please. We're almost done here. Last 3, 2, and last one. Next is wide squat with side crunch. This time we stand wider than hip width apart, just like doing a sumo squat. We squat down as low as we can and put our hands up, but we never surrender, remember. We crunch to one side, then to the other side, back to center. This is 1 rep. We will do 20 in total. Remember to hold at the center before you side crunch, so your body won't swing side to side. Move with control as always. Since the ground is quite slippery, I didn't squat as low as I should, but you guys should feel free really squat as low as you can. I know this pose looks funny like a moving crab, but it is very effective workout for your waistline and thighs, especially if you are a beginner. Keep going. Last 3, 2, and last one. Next is standing toe touch. We're back to standing hip width apart, arms raised to shoulder level. Now we bring one leg up, touch the opposite palm with our foot. Don't lower your arms, use your oblique, your core to bring your leg up. In my Pilates class, many beginner students cannot do the crunch or crisscross in a proper form and sometimes hurt their neck because their abs are not strong enough. One way to improve this is to do the standing version like toe touch or macho twist first to build up your ab muscles. Then you can progress to the supine version. Now last 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Next is windmill for right side. Let's stand wider than the hip. Turn our left foot out in about 45 degrees and right foot out almost 90 degrees. Reach your left arm up. You can choose to hold weight or not. Then we slide right hand down to the foot or as low as you can and up again. This is 1 rep. We will do 10 this side in total. Remember to keep your back and legs straight when you slide up and down. This is strengthening the left side of your back muscles. So you can see I'm doing the opposite side actually, but I'm talking in your direction, in your side's direction. So you can follow my movement easier. Now we will do the same for left side. Turn your left foot out about 90 degrees and right foot out to 45. Raise your right arm up and slide left hand up and down. Also 10 reps in total for this side. It doesn't look difficult, but if you do it repeatedly and correctly, you will feel the burn in your muscles, especially if you are holding weights on your upper hand. Now last 3, 2, and 1. Next is crossover toe touch. We're still standing wider than our hip, but with our feet pointing forward. We bend down and touch opposite foot with one hand, then the other side. This is 1 rep. We will do 10 total. Remember to turn and bend down from upper body and all the way up to straight before you turn to the other side. This is a very good warm-up for our upper body and our back muscles. Try to use your back muscles to pull yourself up. Next is single leg sprint. And let's take a moment to soak it up, this beautiful environment. We turn ourselves to the side and stand hip width apart. Raise your right leg up to knee high and reverse lunge. Inhale, arms down and leg up. Exhale, arms up and lunge. Moving your arms is mainly to help you balance. Keep it going, only 6 left. Now it's turn for our left leg. Again, your stable leg position shouldn't be over your toes, and your moving leg should lunge as low as possible. I know it is very boring to repeat the same movement over and over again, but remember, power of repetition. It is how us, as ordinary human beings, generate great results. Now last 3, 2, and 1. Next is chair pose with twist. We still face the same side, stand hip width apart, put our hands at the back of the head and squat down. We twist to one side then to another side. This is 1 rep, we do 10 in total. Squat down as low as you can, really twist from your rib cage and chest. Your lower body and pelvis should be very stable. This looks easy, but actually it's quite difficult if you have a stiff thoracic spine. How are you feeling now? I hope you feel the heat and burn. I'm already start sweating despite the -10 environment. And last one. So the last 2 exercises are mainly for stretch and cooling down. We will do overhead circles with 5 circles in each direction. Now we grab our weight again and raise it up with our arms overhead. Start making big clockwise circles with our upper body now. Last 2 and last 1. Reverse. 5 times again. Actually, you can do as many times as you want. And last 1. Let's put down our weight again and oops, I start sneezing. The contrast between my body heat and the cold environment gives me a runny nose. Don't worry, I'm not sick. Now inhale and stand tall. Exhale, we start roll down, bone by bone, standing roll down. And then we stretch our legs. Stretch our glutes, hamstring, and calves. Take your time and give yourselves a deep stretch. Now inhale at the bottom, exhale, we do standing roll up. We stack our vertebrae by vertebrae, bone by bone. All the way up, inhale, lengthen our spine, and exhale. Start from our head, neck, shoulder, bone by bone down. All the way down. Inhale again and exhale, roll up. Repeat this process as many times as you want. And we are done!